Today's video is Central Market, or the Market Central. Is in Valencia, and this is the outside of the building, which is absolutely fabulous, like a lot of the buildings here in Valencia. But we're going to go inside and have a look round so you can see what they offer. So as soon as you get inside, you can see lots of nuts, and you've got hams here. We'll have a walk round. You've got fruit and veg coming out. I mean, the fruit and veg in Spain is absolutely fantastic. It's so tasty. You know, you can actually taste what you're eating, which is, I think, fantastic. On this stand, we've got plenty of eggs, and also some nuts, some fruits, dried fruits. Everything's open. So this is, I think, one of the most popular markets in Spain. It's so colourful. I love all the colours when you're walking around. You've got all your meats on this side and cheeses. It's not busy, but there are people here shopping. It's a massive place, absolutely massive. It's got several entrances, both ends on the sides. They do gifts as well, the sort of thing now that we're showing you. Got bits and pieces, key rings, lighters and ashtrays and things like this, fans. You can get whole hams here, which is hanging up. It's a big favourite in Spain, hams. And of course in Valencia is where paella first came from. And that's one of my very favourites over here to eat. You have bars in these places, but I don't think they're open now, obviously, because of the restrictions with COVID. But you can still buy drinks and sandwiches. That's all takeaway. Takeaway is allowed at the moment, so you can buy that, which is what I'll do later. It's very cool in this building. You can buy alcohol here as well. Look. Good range of alcohol, miniatures. There's a massive meat store here with all the hams, cheeses, absolutely enormous. And another big meat one here, sausages, chops and things. The colours here are absolutely fantastic, I love it. Look at these strawberries. I mean, how big are they? $5.20 a kilo. But they are enormous. Absolutely brilliant. You get your hams hanging here with the alcohol underneath. And you've got cooked food here. And you've got bread, which is what they call pan over here. And various cakes and things. This is the outside of the Central Market, and you can see how old it is. It really is old. You know, compare it to the buildings, the new buildings here. But it's got all this tile work all the way around the bottom of it. And then it goes all the way around here. One of the entrances there. And then beyond that, there's a church. Nice bell tower on it.